Page 20, Joy to the World. 4/4 time. We're counting to 4. We're counting quarter notes. We're still starting out at least in this middle C position, but we got sharp signs. Look out. Starting out in the first measure here, and then the F has a sharp sign in front of it. So instead of the F, you're going to play F sharp. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and plus a dotted rhythm on top of that. Aren't we having fun now? Let's go over to page 21. Starting out here, 1, 2, 3, and then F sharp, and that quarter note F sharp is, or F is also sharped. Both of those Fs are sharped because they're in the same measure, so the sharp sign still applies. Then the last measure, the first line, 1, got F sharps all over. Same thing in the second line, and the third line you can get, there's only one note, and the last line you can get. Let's do the left hand. Starting out here, this is on page 20. That's on beat 4. 4, 1, 2, not a big problem there, I hope. Top of page 21. We got a whole note, hold it down for the whole measure, and then another whole note, and then a G and a B together. And again, I use the weight when I push notes down, so I have the A down here, third finger, and then I lift the wrist and lower the wrist. As I do that, I simply lift this up, and these other fingers are ready to go already. So all I'm really doing is lifting a finger up. And the notes go down with the wrist. All connected at the same time. Piece of cake, right? Third line down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second measure, it's 4 and. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Yeah, rhythm might be a little tricky there. Then you put the hands together. At the beginning, they're one hand at a time. It's not hard. Just make sure all these notes are connected until you get to the end of the phrase. Then you lift up, so there's a little silence. And then at the top of page 21, it's together. 2, 3. And then lift up. 1 and 2. And so forth. After that, it's really one hand at a time. You can get that. And the phrasing, lift up between each phrasing, so we get a little silence between the phrases. So you learn it, and when you think you've got it, come back and play it with me, and we'll play it together to check the notes and the rhythms to make sure you have those correct. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. You're starting out in middle C position, except you're going to play an F sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 3, 4, off. There is a duet at the bottom of page 20. I'd like to do that, and you play your part. This piece is a happy, bright piece. It's a little faster. You probably heard lots of people recording it or singing it or whatever. It may not go quite that fast, but we'll speed it up a little bit. And again, I need you to go up on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C is up here and play it all up here. All up here. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go.